Tonight's bedtime bird is about the common chaffinch. Common in varied wooded and forested habitats, parks and gardens, farmland with hedges and scattered trees, forms flocks in winter, often visits garden feeders. Handsome, brightly coloured male is distinctive with bluish cowl, pink face and breast, black and white wing pattern, colours muted in winter. Female much drabber but shares male pattern, especially note the complex wing pattern. Both pairs have white outer tail feathers, often striking in flight such as when flushed. Now here is tonight's bird. So listen carefully. Wait a minute. Here it comes. One more time. It was the common chaffinch, tonight's bird. Now, tomorrow we're moving on to something different. We're going to be looking at 7 owls. So the first owl we're looking at tomorrow is the eagle owl. So be on the lookout for that. That's all for today. See you soon. Oh, do you notice that thing right over here? Yes, I have a brand new clock. And here it is. Cool, right? It's actually a stick-to-the-wall clock. Right now it's 11:15. Not really 11:15, but it is coming close to 20 past 11. Well, that's all for today. See you soon. Bye.